I get asked this question all the time. Mike, does Take Profit Trader have copy trading rules? We're going to talk about that in today's video. Now, at first glance, it may seem easy to go ahead and find the rules. We simply scroll on down through the page. We look into the rules. Do we see anything about copy trading? The answer is no. Now, before I show you guys where the hidden rule is actually at, I want to let you guys know right now, Take Profit Trader is having a massive sale, 40% off all their valuation accounts, no activation fee, and best yet, once you pass the test, you can get the test refunded during your first payout. Take advantage of this offer. Click in the link in the description box down below. It'll bring you to a page like this. Right up there where it says code epitome, click on that. It'll be ready to use at checkout, or at checkout, you can simply type in epitome to make sure you get the best deal out here. And stay tuned to the end, because in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how 2 lucky people are going to be able to win a Take Profit Trader 50K test account. So if we come right up here where it says knowledge base and we scroll on down, we say, all right, is there anything about copy trading? Well, let's see, getting started. Yep, I don't see anything in here about copy trading. Well, what about FAQ? We go over to the FAQ real quick. And as I'm scrolling through this, I still do not see anything about copy trading in here. And you might even ask yourself, Mike, why is that important? If there's not on the rule set, there must not be a rule for it, right? And if Take Profit Trader allows us to have a total of 5 accounts, don't you think that they expect we're going to be trading these accounts together? Well, I went over to another prop firm that has a copy trading rule, and this is what really spawned the question from a trader just a few days back. They say, Mike, am I allowed to copy trade across multiple prop firms? If you go right over here to Bullnox or Bullnox, however you say it, and I'm sure other prop firms have the same rule, but it says copy trading is permitted between your own Bullnox accounts only. Now, the way I read that is, that means that I cannot trade Bullnox and Take Profit Trader or My Funded Futures, Tradeify, or Apex at the same time. If I was going to copy trade, I would only be allowed to trade the Bullnox accounts all copied together. So I decided to come over here and can keep diving down in here. And I said, okay, let's go over and take a look at the test rules. Maybe it's in there. Hit your profit target. That doesn't sound like it. Do not exceed the maximum position size. That doesn't sound like it. Do not hit the end of the day drawdown. Trade approved products during approved hours. Be consistent. I don't see anything in there. Well, what about if we come over here to the pro account? In the pro account, are the rules the same? And again, I don't see anything in here that relates to anything about copy trading. So you know what I did? Right up here, and it may go ahead and blind you. You might not see it at first glance, but right up here where it says search, I just type in copy. You can see copy trading with Tradeivate and TradingView. Well, let's see if this brings us to anything right here. Unfortunately, you cannot use the copy trader feature on Tradeivate called group trades when trading your CQG accounts through TradingView. Well, that still doesn't answer my question. All right, if I'm trading with NinjaTrader, how is this going to impact my trading? So then I went ahead and decided to go ahead and click on right here where it says pro account. If we click right there, and we see a tab that says multiple pro accounts. Now, as we come over and we look at this real quick, you can trade multiple test accounts at the same time. You can maintain up to 5 active pro or pro plus accounts. Please be aware that this limit of 5 active pro or pro plus accounts applies to the total number of accounts, not 5 accounts for each category. And what they mean by that is not 5 pro and not 5 pro plus accounts. When we talked about this before, when we looked over here at the rule set, when it shows maximum account size, sometimes this can be a little bit misleading for some traders, because you see, well, I can have 5 pro and 5 pro plus. That is not true. The combination of these 2 accounts can only add up to 5. So it can either be maybe 5 pro accounts or 5 pro plus accounts, or maybe you have 2 pro accounts and 3 pro plus accounts. Then we look down here and we see also, please note that group trades featuring Tradeivate, which allows you to copy trades, cannot be used with the CQG data account through TradingView, which is what we already read before. So at face value, this seems like, hey, we should be all good for copy trading, right? Well, I went ahead and contacted support, and I'm going to share with you guys what support said here in just a moment. But before we do that, let's go ahead and talk about the trade copier that I currently use. And I want to show you guys some of the settings. You guys ask me all the time, Mike, how do you copy trade all the accounts together? And right here, you can see I have Apex accounts. The second category is going to be Tradeify accounts. Third category is going to be My Funded Futures. Last but not least is going to be Take Profit Trader accounts. Now, you can also see that I have different account sizes. I have 3 150K account sizes with Take Profit Trader. All the Apex accounts are 150K account sizes. And all the other accounts, My Funded Futures and Tradeify accounts, are all 50K accounts. Now, if you look right here in the column where it says size, this is one of the features of the copier that I use. You can see with the Apex accounts, since they're larger account sizes, it says 3 times. So if I place 1 micro trade, it's going to go ahead and place 3 micros in the Apex accounts. Down here in the Take Profit Trader accounts, you can see it says ×2. So in the 150K accounts over there, for every 1 contract that I place in the leader account, which you can see right up here, I designate it as a sim account, sim PA account. For every time I enter a trade there, it's going to go ahead and double the position size of that. And we can see that right here. The current position on the trade copier as I was recording this video, you can see in Apex, you can see in the leader account, I had 2 contracts. In all the Apex accounts, since it was ×3, all of those had 6 micro contracts on. All the 50K accounts only had 2 contracts on, which essentially followed the leader account as a 1-to-1. Then the Take Profit Trader accounts, only the 150K accounts did I multiply it. And you can see right here, I have 4 contracts on each of the 150K accounts, and those are only micro contracts at that point in time. And something that I forgot to set up before I started trading tonight was one of my favorite aspects of combining the trade copier along with the risk management tool, and that's going to be the daily loss limit in the profit goal. Now, if you guys want to learn more about the copy trading, I'll put a link to the video at the end of this video. And if you guys do want to check them out, there'll be a link in the description box down below. You can see right now the duplicate account actions. You can save 40% off that. Along with the risk manager, you can save another 20%. You can see right over here, when you put it in your cart, you use code Mike, it'll drop the price to only $175, which is very comparable to Replikanto. But I got to be honest with you, I like this copier better because I don't have to set up a certain copy feature for each instrument that I trade. We can copy them all at the same time. So now let's go ahead and see what happened when I went ahead and contacted Take Profit Trader support. I said, does Take Profit Trader have rules about copy trading? And they went ahead and replied right back. Unfortunately, you cannot use copy trade feature on Tradeovate called group trade when trading your CQG accounts through TradingView. And that's really that same line that we saw right down here. Then I went ahead and responded back and said, I'm using NinjaTrader. Then they responded back and said, yes, we allow trade copiers. Is there anything else I can help you with today? And I can tell you guys from experience, as I showed you guys right here, I copy trade the 4 major prop firms that I trade with. I link them all together and trade them all at the same time. And I've had 0 problems out there and been able to get payouts from these accounts. Now, keep in mind, when you're copy trading, yes, you can make more money, but you can also lose more money. That leverage is going to cut both ways. When it's good, it's going to be good. When it's bad, well, you're going to lose even more on those trades. Now, the part you guys have probably been waiting for all the way until the end. How can you win a free Take Profit Trader test account? It's going to be very simple. 1, make sure you like this video. 2, leave a comment in the comment section down below and make sure it says code epitome always gets the best TPT deal. Now, if you like this video, you might want to check out one of these 2 videos right here, learn more about the trade copier or the rules about withdrawals with Take Profit Trader.